Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'll show you how to save video from CapCut to gallery. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and tap the video project you just finished editing. Make sure everything's done. Your clips, music, and effects are ready to go. Then next, tap the export button at the top right corner. It looks like a arrow pointing up, or there's a word export. Then choose your preferred resolution and frame rate for better video quality and hit export. Then CapCut will automatically process and save your video to your phone's gallery or camera roll. You can also find it inside the CapCut folder in your Photos app. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.